Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to fix Snapchat loading problems. If you're experiencing issues with the app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and get back to enjoying Snapchat smoothly. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. If you're using mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if that resolves the loading issues. Next, clear the app cache. Navigate to your device's settings, locate the Snapchat app, and clear its cache. Removing accumulated data may help improve the app's performance. It's crucial to keep your Snapchat app up to date. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your device. You can check for updates in the Google Play Store and download any available updates to address potential bugs or glitches. Sometimes, a simple device restart can work wonders. Try restarting your device by powering it off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve any app-related issues causing Snapchat to load slowly or not at all. If you're still encountering loading problems, consider using a VPN before running the app. A VPN can sometimes help bypass network restrictions or improve connectivity, potentially resolving loading issues on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix loading problems on Snapchat, ensuring a seamless experience while using the app to connect with friends and share moments. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you resolve any Snapchat loading issues you may be facing.